Hi, I'm Sarah Maxwell and this is Brooke Peterman. We're the Dedra Hughes team at Mercer Hughes Real Estate Group. Today we're at beautiful Nelson Hill subdivision at 4146 Nelson Hill Place. I'm going to let Brooke tell you all about it.
Yes, it might be a gloomy day outside, but there is nothing gloomy about this home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 2019, has a spacious living area, eat-in kitchen, but my favorite part about it is the covered back patio. It's perfect for your evening glass of wine or your morning cup of coffee. So call me or your favorite realtor and let's go see this one today. Come on.